Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are see a lead data enrichment workflow. The requirement is build a simple lead intake automation in N8, pull new lead data from Google Sheet or Google Form, enrich the lead with a simple free API, anything you want, and enrich lead into a CRM or a second Google Sheet. Send a formatted notification to Slack, Discord, or mail. Log the full result into another sheet. This is our workflow requirement. If you look at the workflow, you will see that I divided it into two main parts. The first part is for data enrichment, and second part update the status in log sheet. Here I am taking leads data from Airtable. There is a lot of data, so to show the whole process clearly in this video, I use limit node and set it into 2. The loop node process the data one by one, no matter how many leads there are. After that I use basic LLM to enrich the lead data. I could use another API if I wanted, but this method felt easier, so I try it. The LLM takes the company name from the lead data, search the web, and return some basic information. To separate the data into a specific field, I use extractor node. In the next node, I added all enriched data to the sheet, and finally I also added some data to the log sheet. In the second part, I will send a notification saying that the lead enrichment is completed. After that, to update the log status, we will check whether all the enrichment data has been added to the main lead sheet. If everything is added correctly, we will match the name one by one and update the status in log sheet. And there I add a wait node, because if too many requests go to the sheet at the same time, it can cause errors. We could have updated the status in the first part, but at that stage we could not check whether all the enrichment data actually added to the sheet or not. So instead so instead so so instead of updating yearly, I place an if node outside the loop to check the if everything has been added properly and then updated the status.